Hey, good morning, guys. Just checking back in. It's the following day, day two of the 100K challenge. So, day one, I made looks like $1,265. So we're up on this account, and this is where we are right now this morning. Get some US 30 and Ethereum. Just doing a little scalp here on Ethereum. And as I walked through yesterday, on how I do the Elliott wave using Fibonacci. So again, we have a fib extension tool. So if I look at the retracement on this, okay, again, magically we're at the golden pocket, 62.8. So we're bouncing. Okay, so that's where that's where you come in. Probably right around here would have been the best. I was late because I was slept in this morning. So I just jumped on it right here. I'm thinking it's just going to go up to the 161. And this is this tool right here. Okay, so this is your extension. So we go from the bottom to the top, down to where it retraced. And then this will give us our 100 marker, our 161 and 261. Okay, so again, just taking a quick little scalp to here. And we'll see if this thing hits. Then it should retrace again. And usually it's going to retrace about 38%. So if we come here, we're going to grab this puppy here. Let's just leave this alone. So we do a retracement from this level, and we're going to go up to here where I think it's going to go. All right. And then if we come down, this is the retracement down here. So I don't think I have any tools here to kind of show that. Let's see, any arrows? Now, this is just very limited on MT4. But like I said, this probably is going to come up here, and then it's going to bounce back down, retrace. And we'll see. Bitcoin, Ethereum just been getting hammered past couple of days. Same thing with US 30 and NAS. So US 30, I'm still in that. I bought down here. I have a take profit up here. Just been running super slow. You can see this big drop. Okay, so I got a piece of this overnight as well. Same thing with NAS. Same exact thing. And as you can see, we have our extension level. Okay, came down to the 161.8. Now it's starting to retrace. So if I do my fib here, we are at the 62.8, right? So you can see this pattern just keeps happening again and again. So this should start to bounce off of here unless we have just tremendous amount of pressure down again today. It's about 9 o'clock, so we're going to be coming into the New York opening. So we're going to see which way this is going to go today. It's come down quite a bit. So if we look at the levels, I'm going to clear some of this stuff out. Okay, let's see. I'm going to leave that one. So this is how far we've come down. I mean, quite a bit. And this is a big level right here. So if I come across, we're right at that level. If we break through this level, we're probably going to come down to this level, either here, okay, or here, which is either another major level. So this is what I'll be looking for today. Otherwise, this thing should bounce and start making its way up slowly. All right, because again, we are in an overall uptrend. All right, so you can see I marked this the other day. This is where I'm expecting we're going to be hitting either the golden pocket or we'll make it up to the 100. But as of this week, big pressure has been coming down. So we'll see if we bypass this correction. This is that wave 4 correction. So let's see if we get past this today. If we do, then that's our new correction level, which would be down here. All right, so we'll be paying attention to that. But as of today, this is all I've got. Market's been a little slow. We're still in the holidays. It's only what, January 6th today. So not a whole lot of liquidity just yet coming through the market. So we're just kind of doing our thing, and I want to get this thing passed and move on to the next one. All right, so this is Rob signing off with Bianchi Trading. Take care.